Hey guys, what's up? At the end of the video today, I'll show you what to do if Minecraft Launcher won't install. First things first, if you've had it installed before, let's go into the launch settings and apps. Here we go into the installed apps. Then here we type in Minecraft. There it is, and we go ahead and delete everything. We delete each of these entries. Yes, delete, install, well, delete, fully removed. Second, let's try installing it not through the official website, but through the Microsoft Store. Go to the Microsoft Store, and here make sure you're signed into your account and find Minecraft Launcher. There you go, install it here and try to play. Now, if that doesn't help, check whether you have a VPN turned on. Yes, go into settings, network, internet, VPN. Make sure it is turned off. Next, check Windows updates and make sure to update it. And overall, just restart your computer. If that didn't help, you can also try downloading Minecraft through Xbox. There's also the Xbox app. You can download it through the Microsoft Store, but I think it's already on all PCs, this Xbox. Go to search, type in launcher. Oh, there it is. Or just search for Minecraft Launcher and download it from there. Make sure you're signed into your account so you don't, well, have to purchase it again. That was Velor with you. See you all later.